Coolmuster PDF Merger is a professional tool used to combine the PDF documents into one. 1. Download, install, and run the software on your computer. 2. Click Add File on the top left of the software's interface to import the two PDF files for merging. 3. Select both PDF files by ticking the boxes before. On the right side of the program's interface, click the menu button under Output folder to set the folder where you will save the merged file. 4. Click the Start button to combine the two PDF files. It takes a few seconds to combine two PDF files. Xodo is a reliable PDF file combiner available online. Here is how to combine two PDFs with Xodo. Step 1. Navigate to the online page. Step 2. Click the Upload PDF and Image Files button to upload the two PDF files you want to merge. Step 3. Click the Pages View tab. Then drag and drop the file pages to reorder them on the merged file. Step 4. Click Files View to reorder the two PDF files. Hit the Merge PDF Files button to merge the two files into one document. PDF Converter can combine two PDFs into one. Here is how to combine two PDF files into one file using PDF Converter. Step 1. Access the merger's online page. Step 2. Click the Choose PDF File button to upload the two PDF files for merging. Step 3. Drag and drop the two PDF files to reorder the files in the desired manner. Hit the Merge PDF button to merge the two files. Step 4. Click the Download button to save the merged PDF in your storage location. Here is how to combine two documents into one PDF using PDF24. Step 1. Navigate to the PDF24 web page on your web browser. Step 2. Click the Choose Files button to import the two PDF files for merging. Step 3. Drag and drop to rearrange the PDF documents, then click the Merge button to merge the two PDF files. Step 4. Hit the Download button to download the combined document. Xodo by Rearrange is another online file merge that can merge two PDF files without compromising file quality. Step 1. Access Xodo's online to PDF merge tool on your web browser. Step 2. Click the Select File button to upload the two PDF files you want to merge. Step 3. Hold and drag the files to rearrange them. Click the Merge button to merge the two PDF documents. Step 4. Click Download to download the merged file. PDF2Go is yet another online file merger that allows you to merge two PDF files or more at no cost. Step 1. On the merger's online page, drag and drop the two files. You can also upload the two files by hitting the Choose File button. Step 2. Drag and drop the two files to rearrange them accordingly. Step 3. Click Save as at the top left side of the page to customize the output file's destination and other parameters. Step 4. Click Save to merge the two PDF files. On the next page, click Download to save the merged PDF to your computer. Combine PDF is an online PDF file combiner that can merge two PDF files fast without compromising file quality. Step 1. Go to the merger's online page via your browser. Step 2. Click Upload Files to upload the two PDF files. Drag and drop the PDF files to rearrange them, then click Combine to merge them. With Xodo PDF, you can merge two PDF files or more into a single document at no cost. Step 1. Access the merger's online page on your device's browser. Step 2. Click the Choose Files button to add the two files or drag and drop them on the interface for combining. Step 3. Click Merge Files to merge the two files. Step 4. Click Download File to download the merged document.